Hello everybody, and welcome to Lesson 2 in Coding in Python. In the previous episode, we learned how to download, install, and use the Python program. Now we are actually going to start coding, and as I mentioned in the previous episode, we're going to be learning about input and output. So first what you want to do, like last time, is you want to search up Python, click on idle, Python, and then should bring up the notepad Python. Here it is. So you can full screen this if you want to. I personally like to. So now first of all, let us talk about input and output. What is input and output? Well, input and output is what the computer can receive and do. So input can be all sorts of things, be a key being pressed, all sorts of things. But usually input comes from us, the user of the computer, where we can type in words that the computer uses later on. And then depending on the word we type, the computer can output that word if it wanted to. So, for example, let us have the computer output something without any input. What you want to do is you want to type in print. And as you see, as soon as you put the T down, it turns purple. That means it is valid syntax. Syntax is all the code that Python uses. And then, what you want to do is parentheses, quotation marks, and then type whatever you want. You can type in whatever you want, because no matter what you type in there, it will not cause an error, like as you saw in the previous episode, because it's in a print statement. And if I put quotation marks and another colon at the end, there we go, and hit enter, it printed it out. See? Now there's this very important. The random word I typed inside the print statement and the quotation marks is called a string. A string can be any value whatsoever. You can type in anything in a string. It doesn't matter what it is. But for example, if I were to type in something similar to that, not in a string, it'd say that invalid syntax and give me an error like last time. So that is how you have the computer do output. Now I want you to try it. Pause this video, type in print, and for example, type in hi or some random word. Do whatever you want. Just experiment with print. Pause the video, and when you're ready to continue, unpause the video, and I'll explain about input. So what you're going to do with input is you are going to first of all want to type in input, and as you see it turns purple like the print. Now input is different from print. It kind of matters what you type in for what the user will enter. So it's in the similar format. You do a parentheses, you do a string, and then let's type in, I don't know, enter in your name, colon, and then you will have to enter in your name. So first of all, let's press enter. Now it's going to say enter in your name. And I'm just going to enter in my name as Blitz Star Coding. And then there we go. It'll print out that your name was Blitz Star Coding. So yes, that is how outputting and inputting works in Python. Now in the next lesson, what will we be learning is we will be learning how, for example, in the enter your name, we'll be able to have the computer know that my name is Blitz Star Coding and use it later on. Okay? See you guys later. Please like and subscribe if you did enjoy this video and found it helpful, and see you next time. Bye!